we drove into town to this just mass destruction. 7:20 p.m. on Saturday night, April 9th. What happened was our Deputy Sheriff, Jeffrey Pratt, was coming from west of here, I think around Whiting, Iowa, saw this tornado and followed it into town and realized that it was heading for Mapleton and called to sound the sirens. I'm sorry I get emotional at this part. He's the reason we have 15 minutes for people to get to shelter. Our school play had started. 10 minutes into the school play is when the sirens went off. We had almost every kid in town and their parents in the school play. Jeff Pratt is the reason those people are alive, because they got to shelter in time. My name is Colleen Sulzberger. I'm a resident here, and we actually live north of town, so we didn't have but hail damage. We came down Sunday morning and began our, relief efforts. My brother-in-law is the mayor, and he appointed his wife, my sister, and I to coordinate in-kind donations coming in. And we've been here between 12 and 15 hours a day since Sunday, the day after the tornado, every day. There were 11 ambulances stacked up in Mapleton when the search and rescue effort began, because they didn't know how people were going to be, but everyone was safe. And it's all because we had that time, and people responded to the sirens. It was an F3 tornado, winds at 165 miles an hour, and it dropped down right on top of Mapleton. Well, the Red Cross is set up here. The Red Cross has fed to date just over 5,000 meals. So in this community center, we've been feeding not only the storm victims, but also the volunteer workers. And then we've been taking donations for non-perishable food and cleaning items, and will probably remain a distribution center at least the rest of the week, but we're seeking another site for an ongoing distribution center.
The Red Cross has stationed themselves in the community center building as a relief effort to help the homeless from the tornado and anybody suffering from this disaster. For more information, contact the community center of Mapleton, Iowa.